play something for you with no introduction. We'll talk about it in a minute. Here I go. So what was that? That was our very first chords and scales exercise that Carulli gives us in the key of C major. It pulls together the scale work that we did previously in our first 3 lessons and the 4th lesson that we worked on as far as the C major and the G7 chords. In fact, it began that way, right? Also, as you can see, it employed at the end the dampening method that we've identified that you need to start working on. That dampening, we're going to be talking about that a great deal in future lessons. Now, why am I only demonstrating that today and talking about it right now? Here's why. It's filled with theory. There's so much theory in it. Theory from the chords to the scale. Theory from the scale to the intervals. Theory from the intervals to the modes of scales. I'm not going to define those for you right now, although I will give you the link in our posting to the Wikipedia on modes, which, if you're intrepid and want to start working on your theory, feel free to go there. It's not a bad introduction to modes. Math. There's all kinds of mathematics in all of this. Modes are a type of ordinal numbering system as opposed to a cardinal one. Why is it that I don't like the term halftone as opposed to whole tone? Because the cardinal numbers aren't gotten right. This is also confusing, isn't it? And yes, obviously, I love theory. But we've really got to keep it to the practical first. We learn it with our hands. We learn it with our heart. We let our heads catch up. That's the way we're going to do it. So I will go ahead and play it one more time. And then in our next session, we'll do a little bit of that necessary talking about theory that I'm going to avoid as much as I can, but I have to give you enough for you to keep up. So once again, here's our very first scales and chords exercise.